This is Mike, owner of Flagstaff Collision Center in the Flagstaff Auto Mall. Our state-of-the-art, eco-friendly facility with 35 years of experience ensures every vehicle that steps into our body shop receives the proper attention it requires. We are certified with over 10 automaker certifications and contracted with over 21 insurance companies. Keeping our customers in mind, we implemented a drive-through estimation area that is convenient and efficient for both our staff and our clients. To accomplish difficult tasks, we use state-of-the-art tools such as alignment racks, which align vehicle suspensions and collision avoidance systems. Our frame machines allow us to readjust a vehicle's frame to factory specifications. This unique tool has saved thousands of vehicles through our years of experience. We've also expanded our paint booths and now have the ability to paint RVs and boats along with residential vehicles. Both of these paint booths keep our employees and environment safe while offering a contaminant-free environment for quality paint jobs. We use PPG water-based paint to minimize harm to our environment. Once a vehicle's repair is complete, we bring it into our complimentary car wash booth and prepare it for delivery. Our facility is a green facility powered by solar panels to minimize emissions while operating our body shop. Our large facility, which includes our main shop and storage area, allows us to repair up to 100 vehicles at a time. The indoor storage area is climate controlled to keep the vehicles from the harsh winter weather conditions. Our goal is to repair each vehicle in a timely manner while ensuring it is up to factory standards. And when it's repaired by us, you are guaranteed a lifetime warranty as long as you own the vehicle. That is why our family-owned collision center is the best decision after a collision.